Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's Sunday, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of weekend edition of Saturday Sunday. It's today Sunday, January the 19th, 2025, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles is remaining. The 4 stars jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. This one will be number 9934. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 17. That's a lot. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O, double ones, here, no, there, no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Then double O's, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed on one of the rules, so this can be an O, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.